The Trinidad Sour is an unusual cocktail that puts a typically supporting ingredient, Angostura bitters, in the starring role. A modern classic, it's known for its deep, complex flavor and bold, bitter profile. You will need the following ingredients: 1½ ounces. Angostura bitters. Yes, a full 1½ ounces of bitters is correct and key to the drink's unique profile. 1 ounce Orgeat syrup, a sweet almond syrup that balances the bitterness. 3/4 ounce fresh lemon juice, provides the acidity necessary for balance. 1/2 ounce rye whiskey, adds a richness and depth of flavor. For equipment you will need shaker, strainer, jigger or measuring tool, cocktail glass. Here are the instructions. Add Angostura bitters, Orgeat syrup, fresh lemon juice, and rye whiskey into a shaker filled with ice. Shake vigorously until well chilled. Strain the mixture into a cocktail glass. Garnish with a lemon twist or any preferred garnish if desired. This step is optional. The Trinidad Sour, created by bartender Giuseppe Gonzalez in 2009, turns the traditional use of Angostura bitters on its head, making it the focal point of the drink rather than just a dash or two as a flavor enhancer.